Hello everyone, this video will show how to factor using substitution. Let's go over this example right here. The first step that we need to do is to find for u. So we're going to go ahead and say let u be equal to the value next to the b. In this case right here, our b is 5. This is our u. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down here. So our u is 3x plus 4. From here, we can go ahead and write this given expression right here in terms of u. So we start with 2. This 3x plus 4 is actually u, and that's a squared. So that's 2u squared minus 5. This 3x plus 4 is u. So that is minus 5u minus 3. So what I did was I got rid of this 3x plus 4 by changing it into u. Now, the next step that we need to do is to factor this out. So we're going to use box and diamond to factor this out. To do the box and diamond, we're going to multiply the first term and the last term. And so if we multiply this, the answer to that would be negative 6u squared. So I will write that on top of the diamond. So it's negative 6u squared. This middle term here will go to the bottom. That's negative 5u. So I'm going to figure out the factors such that if I multiply these two factors, it's negative 6u squared. Now, if I add these two factors, it's negative 5u. So these factors are negative 6u and positive u. So if I multiply negative 6u times u is a negative 6u squared. Negative 6u plus u is negative 5u. So the next step that I need to do is to fill in this box with values from the given expression. So this one is going to go up here. So that's 2u squared. The last term is going to go to its diagonal, negative 3. These red factors, you can put them anywhere. So I can have 6u here and the positive u down here. So I figure out the factors. I can go ahead and say 2u and u will give me 2u squared. So then this means that this is a 1. U times 1 is u. And this is a negative 3. So negative 3 times 2u is negative 6u. Negative 3 times 1 is a negative 3. So that tells us that the factors for this given expression up here would be these two here. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the factors up here. Now, since we say that our u is 3x plus 4, we're going to plug it back into the u so that our equation would come out to, again, our u is 3x plus 4. We have a plus 1. And then again, our u is 3x plus 4, and we get a minus 3. So we go ahead and simplify this further. Remember, these two can be distributed so that this would come out. That's 6x plus 8, and then we get a plus 1. And then this is 3x plus 4 minus 3. Simplify further, this is 6x plus 9. And 3x plus 1. This can be the factored form for this expression that we have up there. However, we can still simplify this further. Notice that the common factors between 6x and 9 is 3. So I can factor out the 3 and do the distributive backwards. So this is 3 times 2x is 6x, and then plus 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. And then keep this because we can't anymore factor that out. So that is 3x plus 1. So this could be the other factored form for this given expression that we have up there. So that is how we factor using substitution.